HIPAA WordPress hosting. WordPress is the most popular website template platform on the internet. But if your WordPress site interacts with anyone's electronic protected health information, then by law, it has to be HIPAA compliant. WordPress does not offer its users a managed HIPAA-compliant hosting service, meaning that an out-of-the-box WordPress website will simply not meet the necessary HIPAA regulations. Organizations can take measures to ensure their WordPress site is HIPAA compliant, most importantly by forming a partnership with a HIPAA-compliant hosting provider, such as Atlantic.Net. According to researchers, 52% of WordPress site vulnerabilities were found to be due to a plugin, and there are 90,000 attacks a minute on WordPress sites alone. That study found 3,972 known WordPress vulnerabilities. Out of these, 52% were from WordPress plugins, 37% were due to core WordPress files, and 11% were from WordPress themes. If you host your website in Atlantic.Net's HIPAA cloud environment, your data and interactions between devices are shielded by a tough HIPAA-compliant security layer. Atlantic.Net meets and even exceeds HIPAA requirements by guaranteeing the following protections. A fully managed firewall. Our fully managed firewall guards your network against malicious intruders. Atlantic.Net will handle all VPN user creation, firewall maintenance, security rule creation, and more. Intrusion prevention service. While a firewall is a defensive protection, the IPS actively monitors network traffic for abnormal activity, such as brute force login attempts or any network attacks against your environment. Encrypted VPN. This service protects your data transmission by sending it via an encrypted VPN tunnel that exceeds industry standards. Atlantic.Net provides user-based and point-to-point VPN tunnels depending on your unique needs. The addition of multi-factor authentication will strengthen your security profile and have you meeting and exceeding HIPAA standards. Encryption and security. Encryption is key to HIPAA compliance. Your WordPress instance data should be encrypted at rest and in transit. This means encrypting your database and files used by WordPress. Secure the site with a TLS web certificate. This validates ownership of your sites that have access points to sensitive data and client connections. Atlantic.Net's cloud servers automatically encrypt your data while it is written to a disk. Here, an encryption key is used to conceal data using AES 256 standards. AES 256 is a publicly accessible encryption cipher that's been approved by the National Security Agency, NSA, to protect top-secret information. Vulnerability scans. Vulnerability scans are critical in ensuring that your environment exceeds all required standards and best practices. When your server is managed by our team of experts, Atlantic.Net will perform these scans bi-weekly and will review and patch the known vulnerabilities at your request. Atlantic.Net's installation process is fast and easy, and the entire infrastructure is HIPAA compliant. Having your WordPress site hosted on a stable and secure infrastructure is the first step in building and maintaining HIPAA-compliant websites. Other steps to consider include risk analysis, which is a requirement under the security rule. To round off your security process, any tools and plugins must meet the 5 control requirements: person or entity authentication, access control, audit controls, integrity controls, and transmission security. Learn more about Atlantic.Net's HIPAA-compliant hosting solutions, how to become HIPAA compliant, and how to stay HIPAA compliant at Atlantic.Net.